Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Naila Kishawadani with name 240205012 from Class 1A Pharmacy Study Program, Faculty of MIPA and Health, Muhammadiyah University of Riau. Today I will present a brief material on fact about antibiotic and antibiotic resistance. Infectious diseases are an important public health problem, especially in developing countries. One of the mainstay drugs to address this problem is antibiotic. Improper use of antibiotic can lead to several consequences, namely the occurrence of resistance to the biotic drug, so that the drug cannot kill germs or germs become immune to the drug. What is antibiotic? Antibiotics are drugs that are often prescribed to patients but are often used inappropriately and result in germ resistance. This happens because of the lack of public knowledge about the proper use of antibiotics. Misuse of antibiotics, including failure to treat overdosing or misuse of the remaining antibiotic can potentially expose patients to optimized dose of antibiotic therapy. Misuse of antibiotics may occur because they are easily available without a prescription. This practice can jeopardize patients who may use antibiotic for the indication and become ineffective to treat an infectious disease. There are 5 types of antibiotics specifically. First is penicillins and their derivatives, which work by inhibiting the formation of bacterial cell walls. Second is tetracyclines, which inhibit protein synthesis in bacteria. Third is fluoroquinolones, which work by interfering with bacterial DNA replication. Fourth is aminoglycosides, which effectively destroy the protein synthesis of bacteria. And the last one is macrolides, which also act on protein synthesis, but in different way than tetracycline and aminoglycosides. Antibiotic resistance occurs when bacteria are able to survive and multiply despite being given antibiotics. This phenomenon arises due to the unwise use of antibiotics, such as first using antibiotic without a doctor prescription, and then stopping antibiotic consumption before the recommended time, and then overuse of antibiotic in animal husbandry and agriculture, and consumption of antibiotic for diseases that do not require antibiotics, such as viral infection. Antibiotic resistance is having a serious impact on global health. Infections that were previously easy to treat are now becoming more difficult to cure, increasing the risk of death from infectious disease. Some bacteria that have shown resistance to various antibiotics are referred to as superbugs, such as methicillin resistant, Staphylococcus aureus or MRSA, and carbapenem resistant Enterobacteriaceae or CRA. In addition, the cost of medical care also increases as more expensive drugs and longer hospitalization are required. Next up is how to prevent antibiotic resistance. First, use antibiotic only as prescribed by your doctor and finish them as recommended. Second, avoid sharing or using leftover antibiotic from other people. Third, practice a healthy lifestyle to reduce the risk of infection, such as washing hands properly and keeping the environment clean. Fourth, support the wise use of antibiotics in the livestock and agricultural sector. And the last one is raise awareness about the dangers of antibiotic resistance through education and health campaigns. From the explanation that I have present, the conclusion of this material is that antibiotics are an important weapon in the fight against bacterial infection, but their unwise use has led to a serious threat in the form of antibiotic resistance. If not properly addressed, this resistance could lead to a global health crisis with difficult to treat infection, and increase mortality rates. Therefore, awareness and preventive action from the public is needed to maintain the effectiveness of antibiotics for future generations. That's all I can say. Any more or less I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.